What up, guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm freaking excited. Just gonna hop right into it. First things first, you guys remember what was in here? This was the valve cover cap with the famous middle finger that I showed you guys. I'm actually gonna give this away. I'm gonna give this to my mechanic. Cause I don't need it, because with all the new stuff added to the car, I don't think we want more neochrome. So speaking on that, I got some new Pastor JDM neochrome bolts to replace some of the bolts that I did use this for. You guys remember I went through and cut off all the red ones. You guys know Pastor JDM is not in business anymore, but I was able to find somebody that had brand new set. So we'll replace the radiator ones, etc. with this. Moving forward, also, sorry about that, let me focus. Moving forward, because I don't know if you guys caught that Easter egg I put in a couple of videos ago, a couple of builds ago. I said, when I go and the car is ready, I'm going to get one of these. Because I saw this in the YouTuber's video and I had to find it. Hell yeah, the mushroom. So you know what that means. You know what time it is. I'm freaking excited. I got a Uber coming on the way. Let's not waste any time. I got this. I'm going to take this to the shop. I'm going to give it to my mechanic. And today's pickup day. The base thing's on it. So now it's time to do braking for 1,000 miles. Then we can see what all this equates to power-wise. Let's go to the shop. Finally. Almost a year of all this. Let's go pick up the Honda. I'm so glad I was able to find this. It's the first thing I'm going to do, put this air freshener in. I know some of you guys have been asking for driving videos, etc. Remember, we're on the break-in, so it's not going to be, it's going to be turned way down, because it's all about seating the pistons, etc. Okay? So after we get the broken and we get on the dyno, we make whatever power numbers we're going to make, then I'll go for a nice little drive. But right now, it's going to be easy-going drives. We got to get these miles on it. Let's go. All right, we're up here. Let's waste no time. You see, bunch of Subarus, Auto Science. I don't see my car's probably in the back or on the side. Let's see. Auto Science. Oh, we haven't seen that one. That STI stay. There must be something. There it is over there. Let's go check it out. Let's go inside. Let's see what's up. Oh, this wide body still here. I don't want airbags. There's our Miata crew. Let's head in. Got the goods. Leaving the rental car. We'll come back later and pick it up. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording. Okay, okay, guys. Hey, guys. See the car's back. The car's running. The car's idling. The idle's gonna be a little wonky because it is just a base thing. The car is completely dirty, so we're gonna go straight to a car wash. Actually, we're gonna go back to the house first, get the car wash stuff, so I can wash this car and get it all cleaned up again. Together, I'm gonna hang this Mario air freshener up, like I told you guys. You hear it all its glory. We're gonna go ahead and head out. I'm probably not going to record while I'm driving, because I need to focus on driving. The traffic was pretty bad, but thanks to Auto Science, again, it's all about putting the miles on this car. We can get it rocking and rolling. So let's get on the road. Let's get to a car wash and get this thing washed. This thing is fucking filthy. And again, that's their shop car right there. Let's go. Guys, in the car. Again, I got to get used to driving the manual again. This clutch is way high. I haven't driven the manual in a long time, so just getting used to it again. Let's open this up. And yeah, thanks to Auto Science, so I'm just gonna drive around like quick. Gotta get used to it again before I put this back on the interstate and get going. Yeah, this is. Hold on a second. Right now, I gotta get used to this lower compression. I don't see no lights or nothing. Again, this is the base map, so see how far I can push it. 70 miles an hour right now. It sounds way different. That's also because due to the compression change, this thing is screaming a little bit. But I'm just kind of chilling, not trying to like push it, go crazy with it or whatever. And traffic do what traffic's gonna do. But it sounds good. It's humming. Got my base map on here. Again, sorry about that. On the vlog and drive. And so just got to put miles on the car. Look at the mileage right now, 72700. Again, obviously it has 3-4 miles on it. gotta go 500 from that, so 73.2. So 73.2, we're gonna be back at the shop for oil change. Now again, it's gonna be rough because it's not fully tuned yet. So again, it's got just a little base tune on it. So baby boost. I'm not gonna be doing pulls or anything wild or crazy like that. Simply just try and get miles on the car to seat the pistons. No crazy aggressive driving, nothing like that. Had to set the head unit back up again or whatever as far as English. But I'm gonna focus on driving, guys. This traffic is kind of thick right now. I gotta make sure listen to the sounds and make it to the other side of town with no issues. Yeah, traffic slowing down, but no issues. So oh boy, I had to get up all about. Woo! Woo! We got here. But again, let's focus on driving because I think because the cotton bow, I know the fair's here. I think because the cotton bow is the reason why things are kind of busy, speeding, flying by and stuff. So again, some of you guys want driving videos. I'm looking at the AFRs 12, 15, kind of going lean a little bit. 14, there we go. Just when I got the gas, it goes lean. But yeah, I'm excited, kind of nervous. Like I said, car needs a bath. I'm going straight to the car wash, wash this shit up, fix this shit up. Still got a couple more things to do to the car or whatever. But again, the biggest thing is just get these miles on it so we can get like a full tune. Kind of nervous without a fully fleshed out tune, but this is a break-in tune. So we got here to boost a little bit. What was that? Oh, some on the road. Oh, 3 PSI little boost right there. If you guys want to. You guys go ahead there. Whoop! My blood valve is nasty. Right, I'm gonna put on some music. I'm gonna chill. Wait till we get back to the house. Get a sticker on this thing, and then we're going straight to the car wash. Get this thing washed. This thing is filthy. But I'm back in my Honda. This is crazy. Almost a year. I'm back in it. Yeah, let's get it. Up the car. She had to do a bunch of stuff. I'm about to go wash it. You use my interior stainer to get that out. They just threw some stuff in the seat, but here's where it is. This is my hand sanitizer. Here's the most important thing. Honda. I was wondering why some of my head unit stuff for my TV won't work. I forgot you plug in the Honda, you unplug the ECUs. That's why I wasn't getting ECU information. So now I should be good to go. I'm gonna put all this stuff up. It's on that ECU. God, this car is dirty. Drove just fine to the house. Stop and go traffic was sucked. Really sucked. Here's a bunch of stuff. There's a bunch of throwaway parts. A bunch of my throwaway. This is actually the 200 to 220 fuel pumps. You guys can see that I did put in a new fuel pump. There you go. See this G-Works 220 fuel pump. So that'll be for sale, or unless my friend wants to buy it. And then here's old stuff that we took off, like more of that broken. Right here is the engine mount. Oh, there you go. Now I got my focus. Is that engine mount that was broken, blown up. Miscellaneous hoses, oil cap, shit like that. I'm gonna throw that shit away. I do have a Skunk 2 cap down there. Yeah, I'll probably give it to my friend selling. The Tandy boy that didn't fit, that's gonna be for sale for sure. And then miscellaneous, they haven't put on the LED kit yet, but in fact, you said that I keep. I actually found I had another set of all red Pastor JD washers. So you guys saw I got the neochromium, so I'll probably end up keeping these or selling these or something. But yeah, I want to get the car cleaned out, get the back cleaned out. There we go. Yeah, follow me. And I want to go ahead and put the stuff up inside the house. And we gotta give this car a bath. This car is filthy. I mean, look at this. This is filthy. So for sure, you already know I don't like rolling around dirty. Ugh. So I just want to get the car cleaned out initially. And we'll get the engine bay cleaned. I need to buy some more hyper dressing so we can clean that engine bay again. It's gonna do one crazy wash. So next part of the video is gonna be doing something I haven't done in like a year. Wash the car for sure. Wash, bathe this thing down, clean the engine bay, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and wash my hands. And let's go ahead and get to it. I'm not gonna lie, the startup right now is rough for my coaster. I have to let it warm up. Again, it's because it's on the base map, so I just cranked it up. I'm gonna give it like 2 minutes to warm up. But remember, it's a forged block, man. Everything's forged. So pistons, everything expand. So you gotta give it time to heat up and warm up. So again, I'm just playing music, unfortunately. But you can see how dirty this car is. Like, my God, it's caked on. So again, now you see it, dirty as heck. I definitely want to get that spot out. Got my, I said earlier that my head unit wasn't working. It's because it wasn't plugged into the ECU, but it's all plugged in now. So again, you can see very, very, very dirty, very, very dirty. So that's the rims and my white rims. Getting a lot of looks. So let's clean up the exterior first, and then we're gonna hop on, obviously, clean up the engine bay, get the engine bay popping. I mean, look at this. It's what a year, almost a year, not a year, but almost a year dirt looks like. Hopefully we won't have to get the headlights cleaned again, but if we do, we're definitely gonna get those headlights polished again. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys it's dirty, and then in the next clips, you're gonna see that it's gonna be all washed up and cleaned up. Yuck. Get this thing cleaned. Woo. There we go. So I adjust the camera. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. So let me do some clear coat on the hood right there. No big deal. Everything is clean. Yeah, you can see my reflection. That's it. Man, this thing was dirty. I will have to do some more, a little bit of double-sided tape right there. Get that little vortex generator back on. Other than that, go ahead and that ram, I told you. That passenger's car key, I gotta clean up a little bit of that. You can see it's white again. Look at that. Ooh. I gotta lie. That passenger's car key is the truth. Damn. We're all cleaned up. We're gonna head back to the house now. It's starting to get late. I go pick up the rental car. Maybe I'll continue the video, but at least end it out. But yeah, I just want to show you guys. Picked it up, same video. Got it clean, same video. That's what I'm talking about. Man, now I feel good. I need to take back this hyper dressing cleaner. Clean up some stuff on the corner. There you go. Yeah, I came to AutoZone. I just finished washing my car. You guys know I just got the car today. And so somebody, he actually has a RSX. Remember, was going to get one at one point, but we didn't do it. So he wanted to check out the car. So I showed him the car, tell him it's fully built. Again, a lot of people, you know, don't build these cars. They kind of exhaust system, you know, high flow cat, stuff like that. So what's your name? What's your name? Dayton. Do you have an Instagram or anything you want to shout out?
No.
No Instagram, nothing. You just kind of chilling. Are you in the cars as well, or are you kind of?
Yeah, always. I'm more of an LS fan though.
Oh, you Corvette and Camaro.
Corvette, Chevy SS, Camaro, Trans Am, anything you could think of. But
He's American muscle.
These engines though. I know they could put down power and really do some damage. I ain't stupid.
Correct, but again, there's a lot of people that have nasty LS motors, LS 1s and 3s. For sure. But yeah, you just check out the car, check out the interior, etc. I was telling him, like, the other day during show car, I told him he'll be in this YouTube video, so you can shout out yourself, say hi to yourself right quick. There you go. All right. So guys, we're gonna head back. Remember, we gotta pick up the rental car, whatnot, and so we can drop it off. My friend's on the way. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this up. You're at Auto Science at nighttime. There's the car. You know why we're back here to pick up the rental car. I got my friend. A friend Brandon that came with me to help me pick up the rental car. That STI is still out here. But yeah, we're gonna wrap up this video. Again, probably next video I'll show some of the damaged parts or whatever. But yeah, I had to come back up here, get the rental car so we could drop that thing back off. Car's running phenomenal. The only issue with the car is obviously the idle is not too great because it is a base tune. The thing I love about this is they fixed my fog lights. The fog lights are back in action, so you get that full effect. The full effect of all the fog lights. There's the Miata collection. Again, there's my friend Brandon. You gonna say something, Brandon?
What's up?
Something? All right. My friend Brandon. He just said, what's up? You want to shout out the Instagram or that? Oh, your artwork? You want to shout out your artwork or anything? He does actually do custom drawings and custom artwork. If you guys are looking for anything as far as any type of making a logo or you want commissions, he does commissions. Hit my friend Brandon up. I'll put his information like down below. Right. You want to anything? Email anything?
It'll just be like lebrandon88@gmail.com.
There we go. I'll put it right here, man. Again, he does commissions, guys. But we're going to get out of here. He's going to drive through in the car. You see that STI is still out here without the hood. Look at it. It's still sitting up here, posted up. It's probably like the other one. Look at that. Wide open. Where do I can go? I'm sure it's a blown motor. Found out that Donatello, unfortunately, Donatello has a blown motor too. But that's what it is with Subarus. But okay, guys, we're going to get out of here. Get back to the house. I've eaten 2 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches all day. That's all I've eaten. I haven't eaten anything. So I'm going to definitely go get some food. Just want to return the cars. Thank you for helping me out, man. See you guys next video. Wow. Peace.